What can be done to reduce a 37-degree fever?
Hello, and welcome to our discussion on how to manage a 37-degree fever. A fever is a sign that your body is fighting off an infection, but it can make you feel uncomfortable. Knowing how to reduce a fever can help you feel better and recover more quickly.
What is a fever?
A fever is a temporary increase in body temperature, often due to an illness. It's a common symptom of infections like the flu or COVID-19. A body temperature above 37 degrees Celsius, 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit, is generally considered a fever.
When to worry about a fever?
It's important to monitor your symptoms and seek medical attention if your fever is severe or persists. If your fever is above 39.4 degrees Celsius, 103 degrees Fahrenheit, or if it lasts more than a few days, it's time to contact a healthcare professional.
How to reduce a fever?
Hydrate. Make sure to drink plenty of fluids. Water, herbal tea, and soup can help replace any fluids lost due to sweating and boost your immune system. Rest. Your body needs energy to fight off the infection. Getting plenty of sleep can help your body recover. Cool down. If you're feeling uncomfortably hot, you might find relief with a lukewarm, not cold bath or by placing a damp, cool washcloth on your forehead or the back of your neck. Medication. Over-the-counter medications like acetaminophen, Tylenol, or ibuprofen, Advil, can help reduce fever. Be sure to follow the package instructions.
When to seek medical attention?
While most fevers can be managed at home, some situations require immediate medical attention. These include a fever over 39.4 degrees Celsius, 103 degrees Fahrenheit, a fever that lasts more than a few days, severe headache, stiff neck, confusion or sensitivity to light, severe vomiting or diarrhea, difficulty breathing, chest pain. Remember, a fever is your body's way of fighting off an infection. While it can be uncomfortable, it's usually not a cause for concern. But if you're feeling too unwell, or if your symptoms persist or worsen, always seek professional medical advice. Stay hydrated, get plenty of rest, and take care of yourself. Here's to a speedy recovery.